Hello everyone. Have you ever thought that when a sweater is too loose, you only have two options: throw it away or take it to a tailor? That's not always true. With just a small change in approach, you can actually fix an oversized sweater right at home much more easily than you might expect. In this video, I'll share a simple tip to help your sweater look more fitted and polished without complicated repairs. Let's take a look. First, we will remove the sweater sleeves. Take a pair of scissors and carefully cut along the stitching line that connects the sleeve to the body of the sweater. Go slowly and take your time so you do not cut into the fabric itself. We will remove both sleeves in the same way, one on each side. Next, turn the body of the sweater inside out. Using a ruler, mark the new width that you want for your sweater. Draw a straight and even line on each side of the sweater body so the width is balanced. Now, place the sleeve along the line you just marked. Use a pen or chalk to mark where the sleeve lines up with the new width of the sweater body. This helps us know exactly how much extra fabric needs to be removed. Now take your scissors and carefully cut away the extra knitted fabric along the marked line. After cutting, use pins to secure the cut edges so they do not move while you work. Then, trim away any remaining excess fabric on the side of the sweater body. Now we are ready to sew the sweater body back together. Start by sewing along the side seam, but leave the area where the sleeve will be attached open. Use a basic running stitch. Sew with steady hands and make sure the fabric stays flat and does not wrinkle. When you reach the end, tie a secure knot to hold the seam in place. Move on to the other side of the sweater body and repeat the same sewing process. At this point, you might feel a little worried that the cut edges of the knitted fabric will unravel when you wear the sweater or wash it in the machine. Do not worry. In a moment, I will show you a simple trick to keep these edges strong and neat. Now that the sweater body is sewn, take one sleeve and place it back in the correct position on the sweater. Adjust it carefully so the edges line up evenly. Then begin sewing the sleeve to the sweater body. By the way, where are you watching this video from? Please leave the name of your country or region in the comments. We would love to connect with people who enjoy sewing and mending clothes. Now, focus on sewing the knitted sleeve. We are still using simple hand stitches that anyone can do at home. This step may take some time, but try to enjoy the process. The result will be worth it. Once the first sleeve is finished, move on to the second sleeve. Place it in the correct position and start sewing close to the fabric edge. Small and even stitches will make the sweater look cleaner and more polished. Do you prefer wearing fitted sweaters or looser ones? And if your sweater is wider than you want, how do you usually fix it? Please share your method so we can all learn from each other. Now that both sleeves are attached to the sweater body, the sweater is basically finished. However, to make it even stronger, we will secure the raw knitted edges using a simple overcast stitch. For this step, we will use doubled thread. Start sewing from the first fabric edge. This stitch helps lock the knitted edges in place so they do not unravel. Do you have another way to finish raw edges? Please share it with me. I would love to learn. Now let us take a look at the final result. You can clearly see that the sweater has been resized. The seams look neat and tidy, and the sweater looks just like a new one. The adjusted width helps the sweater fit better instead of hanging loosely like before. With just a few simple steps, we can repair and resize clothing at home. We do not even need a sewing machine or any complicated stitches. Simple hand sewing is more than enough. And to finish, I hope this video gives you confidence to try sewing and mending your own clothes at home. Sewing is not only a useful skill, but also a relaxing and meaningful activity, especially for those who enjoy working with their hands. Take your time, be patient with each stitch, and enjoy the process as much as the result. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Happy sewing, and take good care of your clothes.